Now, we are starting to assemble the Garant Triumph greenhouse with a length of 13.12 feet. At first, we should prepare the foundation. We mark 13.12 inches in length and 9.84 inches in width. To assemble the foundation, we will need a screwdriver, mounting metal plates, and corners and screws. We fix the corner of the foundation with the help of a fixing angle. We repeat this procedure at each corner of the foundation. We use a steel plate to connect small and larger pieces of timber. We prepare polycarbonate for cutting. We cut off two parts of 6.63 inches and one part of 6.43 inches. We are starting to install polycarbonate on the end of the greenhouse. To do this, put the end face on the ground with the mounting holes up. Take a polycarbonate of 6.63 inches long and install it from the left side of the door to the right edge of the greenhouse. Remove the protected film. Install the hinges on the door, on the window pane, and fix it with screws. Take a sheet of polycarbonate with a length of 6.43 inches. Put it on the left side of the end. Remove the protective film. Fix it all with screws, and use a stationary knife to cut off all unnecessary. To extend the service life of polycarbonate and give the greenhouse a more aesthetic appearance, we recommend to buy a set of silicone thermal washers. To protect open polycarbonate cells, we recommend to buy a protection kit. The kit includes a self-adhesive perforated fabric tape and a plastic U-shaped end profile. At first, we should install a perforated tape that will protect our polycarbonate cells from dust, dirt, and insects. We put a plastic end profile on top of the tape, which will protect our tape from slipping. When installing the end profile, we recommend using the hook included in the greenhouse package. To ensure the tightness of the connection between the end and the roof, we recommend to buy a rubber end seal. This profile also protects polycarbonate from getting inside dirt and dust. We are starting to assemble the frame. To begin with, we connect the arc and the starting line. Repeat this procedure on the second side of the arc. This will allow you to fix the arc in an upright position. Install the second arc. Install the upper longitudinal guide. Install the third arc and proceed to the docking of the straight line to the starting line. To do this, we should disconnect the starting line from the arc, dock the starting line and the straight line and reconnect. Set the fourth and fifth arcs. Install the end and connect it to the straight line. With the help of metal corners, we attach the end to the foundation. We fix the corner to the end using self-tapping screws with a drill. We fix the corner to the foundation with screws. Set the lower line. With the help of metal corners, we fix each arc to the foundation. Next, we connect the starting line and the straight line and fix the second end. Let's test our frame to destruction. For your reference, my weight is 222 pounds. As you can see, the greenhouse easily copes with this load. Remove the protective film from the polycarbonate. Install a polycarbonate protection kit consisting of a perforated tape and an end profile on each of the polycarbonate. Install a polycarbonate sheet on the roof of the greenhouse. At this stage, we will need an assistant. To extend the service life of polycarbonate and more reliably fix it to the arches of the greenhouse, we recommend to buy a set of straps. Using self-tapping screws, we fix the strap to the foundation, placing it in the center of the arc. We stretch the strap along the entire arc to the other side of the greenhouse, insert the coupling bolt, and use screws to fasten it to the foundation, placing it in the center of the arc. By tightening the coupling bolt, the strap fixes the polycarbonate to the arc along the entire plane. The strap is installed on each arc of the greenhouse. We install the second polycarbonate sheet. To properly install the second polycarbonate sheet at the junction of the two sheets, we need to make an overlap about 4 inches wide. At the end of the polycarbonate, it is necessary to leave a visor about 2 inches wide. Using a stationary knife, we cut out the polycarbonate around the perimeter of the door. Install a double-sided handle on the door. Install the handle on the outside of the door. Install the lock on the inside of the door. With the help of complete bolts, we connect the handle and the lock. Install the inner handle and fix it. We install the hook for fully opening the door. In order not to make unnecessary holes, we can use the existing one. To install the door opening hook at 90 degrees, we will need self-tapping screws with a drill. We fix the hook to the frame of the greenhouse, open the door at 90 degrees and fix it with a loop and self-tapping screws with a drill. To install a window pane in the greenhouse door, we should disconnect the hinges and use a stationary knife to cut through the polycarbonate around the perimeter of the window pane. In order to prevent rain and insects from entering the open polycarbonate cells, we protect it with an end profile. We also install the end profile on the upper and lower part of the window pane. To do this, cut off the excess polycarbonate, install the end profile, and fix the polycarbonate to the window pane frame using self-tapping screws with thermal washers. Using the end profile, we protect the open polycarbonate cells above the window pane. Install the window pane hinges. We install the window pane with a mounting hole for wrapping up. Install the wrapping up. Install a hook to fix the window pane in the ventilation mode. To do this, we will need a hook and screws with a drill. When installing the hook, keep in mind that it must be installed parallel to the ground. Then, we are done with the assembly of our greenhouse. Greenhouse Factory Garant wishes you an excellent harvest.